My people, no be small thing dey happen for inside Ovêr as we dey talk right now. If you are from Imo State or from Igbo, if from anywhere, please watch this video. As you dey watch am, make sure say you share the video, because for this last one, they say that the kidnappers people don enter for inside Ovêr. They carry people. I wan play these videos for you, make you watch. One amadi wey dey call Udele, I say the guy now be like say in life remain one bar, because everybody are very angry. Some people dey look for am, they call am for phone, they tell am say if they see am, they go buy am. As you wan buy am, as na the color. Go play the videos for you, make you watch. Stay tuned and watch the full videos.
So please, if you are from Imo State, or you come to Imo State, or you live in Ovêr, or you are a Nigerian, anywhere you are, if you see this video, listen to it carefully, share it, because you will definitely going to save lives and save people from being kidnapped. Here and here may go already, these things are happening, and people have been talking about it, but I think in every day on our right naga. So I want people to listen to this voice note from someone I know that was adopted last week Friday. So his ordeal and how everything went. So I wouldn't be playing the full video, because this is a voice note. I wouldn't be playing all of them, but I'll be cutting it, because it's a very long voice note, and I'll be explaining to you what happened and how it happened. First of all, this guy, they run business, POS, and some sort of a land agency business. This is a real estate business. So he went to town, Imo State, Imo Bank Road. This particular kidnapping happened along Bank Road. This Bank Road, don't know where here. How people that this thing happened inside bush? No, it happened inside Ovêr. Now listen to his voice note when this thing happened.
Town, office, office. My wife, a police officer for so many people, so more office, more Keystone Bank, adjacent opposite Garden Park. I boy about that Friday, man can come. Uzodinma Benine. So my contact in the bank. Yes, I am a bande manager bank. And I'm here network. Me who jamake wedra. Munem no monam. Meshinga. Poli. Machine and cross or road. Uru he bridge along that road. Kamjire bamoto jega wedra. Ime moto mbara. Mana board do as with one guy. Otu okay. Nwokorobia ndakere. Otu agadi nwanyị with nwokorobia ka ọzọ. The woman and the nwokorobia ndakere rahogona. Nwokorobia ka ọzọ kpano. The young other man, very older, nọkpano nga ahụ. So maba the center seat reopen. Onye do ya maba ze do no. Driver move, my driver move. But row front, the just in Zenith Bank, I boy in Zenith Bank. Mana bo the woke aposhia ya bega. Maha poshere ya bega. While driver pushe the guy abega. So the guy abela. Driver she mechila ya do. Driver mechi do. My driver mechiri do. Ya she that na you move when hope ya juma ze she lende gi magwa she agma kushe na Keystone wedra ya bara jima drive agent ko se ku hoka ya bara move so ma people no phone so anya bara wedra I hostel bank ka ni gbaruru ozo mo nwanyị makpọ ma phone immediately nwanyị m na-akpọ ma phone. The guy not beside me, I've one phone. Yeah, I make expect shimri unconscious came, but to Obuhana and the cause Hamen Atoroga home, Otorala mana bonde can azora. So hey, Cheshimra Hopan side, they can now drive us, conveying without any disturbance to Gahachoro. The man has on my phone. I know guys on phone appiari, mahatuba or guacha, memutonga, ebajilugide, only kedu zazo, that other young man is zazo. ewefuru egbe ma kụọ m o ji isi gba kụọ m isi ma tọọ nọ ya were egbe tụma m.
You have heard from him. They put me inside Ovêr. They carried bus Imo. That's the native transport system in Imo State Ovêr. That's people normally enter bus Imo. And mind you, I have to tell you this thing. You have to be conscious of your environment. Yeah, the security agencies are trying, but you too should be vigilant. At first, or believe that this kind of thing can happen inside the heart of town. You understand? That was why it was so relaxed. Even despite seeing that before your banner bus, some people are still sleeping. These guys sometimes they use jazz. You get? And they use the jazz. We make people sleep, they'll convert them. According to him, they were picked because I think it's not only him. Because before he came inside, some people were already sleeping. So they were picked along that bank road. And they conveyed them from there. Wedra. If you know where Wedra road, it's a very busy road. Inside the road, it's a very busy road. And they took them from there. Baside Akachi. I want you to listen something that he said. When they were about to follow the normal route, one of them said, Oga told us that police feed this side, police go this side. You have to follow another route. Listen to it.
We hold up on a weather, even in a very free junction in Cherubim Junction, ebe traffic eja not to move none. Ebe niile ma MCC agbaficha ndị niile agbaficha ebe niile gbagide ndị agbega gbafe fire service gbega St. Mulumba ha gbega ha che gbaka chi road cause each ala driver shi okpa ogashi police gen ebe ha return ha gbazie odogbo oshishi for that Wedra Junction cable or Aba road.
So you see, could it be that somehow these people get oga where they get information say police feed this so place that they have to follow another route where they feel that police know they now took them to a very distant place ebe ndị mmadụ na ebe where people no dey inside the bush. If you are popular in Ovêr, you understand these places. So according to him, they took them from Wedra Bank Road to Obibiezena Aba Road. That was where they took them to and carried them the entire inside bush. It's a horrible experience. You understand? Inside bush. There, when they got there, what did they do? They demanded his bank details, his password, access to his phone, and all of them, their phones. They had access to their phones. And at the end of the day, they succeeded in getting access to their phones and used their money. This guy no get money. Hey, like this are people's money that is supposed to use and do business for them. They took everything. Use it and buy digital access. They don't transfer them to anywhere. They don't withdraw them. They use those money and bought digital access. And at the same time, when they call in family, but then send 40 million. Just hear him.
Saturday. By then, ime nga na habo barani. Hape gani nda Fulani. Shinde Fulani lekidani. Sunday Fulani was now in charge over us throughout the night. Chabo Saturday. Habia ha. Ma hebi do drag. Ma phone. Shuba phone asho. So at the time, those guys are so violent. Kwame Hakorum, Shialo. My passwords to all my ATMs, my ATM pins, my bank apps. So they be those days, my ATM. My feelings I can transfer to account to mano. Mom she had transfer to account. They were going to buy crypto direct. And then when I issue account, it's Binance. Jirama haja azuga crypto. Imeleka pano hende hamega. Guy mepe laptop use my ATM. Zumaze hende hazuga. Zumaze zumaze no digital assets online. Later in the evening, I'm actually meeting my family for ransom. Upon egoni hananam. The total amount hananam about 12.5 million naira.
Just to see. Now, he gave where caught my attention in all these stories he told. He said that Fulani men are the people that are taking care of them inside the bush. That is to say, our brothers, like Igbo brother, because I have always said this thing. People who they do this business, because it is not a business for them. People who they do this kidnapping business are our Igbo brothers, our own people. And then they go hire all these Fulani men to help them out. Now, what are the Fulani doing for them? Helping them to look after these people inside the bush. Where they go out, search for people and collect their ransom. Now, Fulani people, they take care of them for bush. Whereas our own brothers, now them they come out outside, where they adopt their own brothers to collect money from them. Now, this is what I want to tell you. Kidnapping now is no longer done by who get money, who not get money. They believe that so far as you are living in Nigeria and surviving at this point in time, that something must come out from you. Now, how did this guy got rescued? Let me not say it, just hear it from his mouth.
I checked her throughout that Sunday. We didn't see them. Nana and the Fulani. Mind you, they get Fulani Abutala, they get Jibano Elani, they get Fulani on daily gun, the Fulani on the Nigani, Miri, they get Fulani Janani Miri 3 times a day. Miri Kahanigan, no food, no, no bathing, no washing of the mouth, nothing. We're just there, so Ero Sunday Monday calf mashe jengo kwa general ego. So my jengo kwa general ego. Anye chegidela bia throughout that Sunday, Ero Monday, yesterday, the same thing, they did not come. So around 8 p.m, the Fulani guys, Ikagbo had fed up. Agba manishe, sumana ni broke by hedging aso. So panya honandi banya, ndeki banya hedgela general big money. Letu wana shaguru hoguma woga. The Fulani Jiziwe, Shanyangba, make we they go.
So you see, I have to tell you this thing, be careful. Be careful. They are many out there. Many of them using that post emo to perpetuate these crimes. So you gotta be careful. If you go out, before you get banned boss again, you lie about saying Aba. In every state in Nigeria, before you enter any transport system, look well. So far as it's not the company registered boss, look well. These people are doing things that are not supposed to be done. Some of them do these things, kidnap the people and go and sell them and sell their parts. So you gotta be careful. Please, the security agencies should also be vigilant. Identify these people. Because many people will fall victims if you fail to share these videos, that they will be able to know what to do at any time. Because a stitch in time saves 9. I thank God my brother is back and her better. Everything that is lost will be recovered. That is for sure. But let's be vigilant of our environment. Do you understand? Share this video to people so that they will learn from this and be active and vigilant. Peace and love.
You see this guy here? Wanna help me tag on to this video? Wanna tell him I say he own small. This guy dey threaten saying go buy on the canoe. Tell him say papa own small, just really too small. So if any of una they look this guy, they think say him be something. I will tell una saying na nobody. Any oga wey dey your back, anybody when say ginger, you make it. They made this video. Tell that your oga own. Tell us say him papa. Anybody who support to tell us say him papa, him papa own small, not be even him own. You know understand? Because papa bring you on this life. Tell say the papa, if my papa I love pass, if papa, if my mama I love her, him mama own too small. You know get pressure. They can't say you know get pressure. See, it's just the start. You know understand? It's just the start. So any of you when say this guy don't ginger, you know they feel like so that thing called the video of this guy called the motivate, and this one feel temper man's in the kind of life. Una own small, muna sit down, muna just wash out. You know understand? We dey observe. We just dey observe for this country. So people who now may come out, we never come out since now. They go come out. Now go know what they this country. Una go know say that things, that thing that they run since. Una know they run now. That thing that they run since. Una never started.
My people, share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as they read.